this is April here. Today we're in the International Model Expo Hong Kong 2024 and I want to show you some really amazing cars. Let's go! Farizon SV is a large electric van exclusively developed by Farizon. Here is the world's first heated seater design, which can maximize your car utilization and brings you the best cabin space ratio. Have you ever seen this kind of side opening? So, this side opening can reach up to 2.1 meters wide, can make your uploading and loading really easy. It can run up to 398 kilometers, charge only 20 minutes, can get you a 300 kilometers trip. Let me show you the cargo space. So, the cargo space is up to 13 cubic meters, and you can see here is the design of a cage body structure. And this kind of cage body structure can make sure that all of your freight can be shaped in the best way. It has 30 active safety configurations to make sure that all of the trip can be going in a very safe and intelligent way. Load it full in one shot and take it all in one run. Farizon SV can make your trip super real and super in. So, bosses, just buy it!